This is more than a machine. It's a culmination of passion, an engineering marvel, and a canvas for artistic expression. But to truly appreciate its brilliance, one must delve deeper. We must enter the world of Shokunin Kishitsu. Shokunin Kishitsu, a Japanese term that translates to the spirit of the artisan. It's a dedication to craft, a lifelong pursuit of perfection. Here, every action is imbued with purpose. Every repetition a testament to unwavering focus. Each step a ritual. Each repetition a refinement. Hours are spent transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. For a true shokunin, there are no shortcuts, only unwavering dedication. The path of the shokunin is one of tireless pursuit. It's a commitment to mastering the mundane, to finding beauty in the repetitive. For in each repetition lies the key to achieving the extraordinary. And finally, the transformation is complete. A testament to the detailer's unwavering dedication. And the essence of Shokunin Kishitsu. More than just a car, it's a masterpiece, a rolling sculpture, a culmination of passion and meticulous craft. This is Shokunin Kishitsu, the art of detail, the relentless pursuit of perfection.